Have you ever wondered how Codeforces decides your rating after every contest? In this video, we'll break down the Codeforces rating system and explain what each color means so you can track your progress and aim for the next level. Codeforces ratings are a way to measure your performance in contests compared to other participants. It's like a leaderboard that updates based on how well you perform. Here are the rating ranges and their corresponding colors. Newbie, Ray, rating 0-1199. This is for beginners who are just starting out. Pupil, Green, rating 1200-1399. Indicates basic problem-solving skills. Specialist, Cyan, rating 1400-1599. You're now solving intermediate-level problems. Expert, Blue, rating 1600-1799. Demonstrates consistent performance in contests. Candidate Master, Purple, rating 1800-2099. Shows strong problem-solving abilities. Master, Orange, rating 2100-2399. High-level competitive programmers fall into this range. International Master, Orange, also 2100-2399, but with recognition at the international level. Grandmaster, Red, rating 2400-2599. These are elite programmers competing globally. International Grandmaster, Red, rating 2600+. This represents world-class expertise. Legendary Grandmaster, Red, rating 3000+. The highest rank, achieved by very few exceptional programmers. The rating system is based on the ILO system, with some tweaks for programming contests. Here's how it works. First, expected performance. Codeforces predicts your performance based on your current rating. Then actual performance, your rank in the contest compared to others. Finally, rating update. If you perform better than expected, your rating increases. If you perform worse, it decreases. Essentially, your rating change depends on your current rating. The ratings of participants in the contest. How you rank relative to others. Ratings are more than just numbers. They reflect your skill level, help you identify contests suitable for your ability, motivate you to improve and compete at higher levels. Here are some tips to level up your rating. 1. Solve practice problems. Focus on problems slightly above your current rating. 2. Learn common algorithms, master graph algorithms, dynamic programming, and greedy techniques. 3. Analyze contests, review contests you've participated in to identify weaknesses. 4. Stay consistent. Regular participation is key to improvement. Now that you understand the Codeforces rating system and its color rankings, it's time to aim for the next level. Let us know in the comments what your current rating is and your goal for the year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more competitive programming tips. See you in the next video.